Welcome to the Sheaborhood in Phoenix, Arizona, a vibrant community known for its charming streets, friendly neighbors, and incredible amenities, including the Melrose Pool and Paradise Valley Schools. One of the features I love about this home is the two distinct living spaces. You have your formal living room and then your family room where you can just relax and enjoy being together. The heart of this home is the completely remodeled kitchen with sleek quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances. Don't miss out on your chance to own this lovely home in the Sheaborhood. Contact us today and we'll schedule a showing.